Looking for a smarter, faster and safer way to cook every day? Say goodbye to LPG gas hassles and hello to modern cooking with the Philips Viva Collection 2100 watt induction cooktop, where speed meets efficiency. Here's the box of the Philips Viva Collection HD4928/01. Right on the packaging, you can see its powerful 2100 watt performance designed for super fast cooking. It also highlights smart preset cooking menus, advanced electromagnetic heating technology and high energy efficiency. Philips also ensures safety with features like auto shut-off and intelligent temperature control. MRP written 6,000 around but got the product only at a deal price of 3,000 around. A trusted brand with reliability, that's what you get right out of the box. Inside the box pack, you get the induction cooktop neatly packed along with essential documents. The packaging feels secure, ensuring the product arrives safely without any damage. Pause the video and read the user manual if required. Now let's take a look at the top. You get a premium glass panel surface which looks sleek and it's easy to clean. Below that, there are multiple preset menu options and responsive easy to click buttons. Let's listen the buttons click sounds. And yes, it comes with a long power cord giving you flexibility in placement. Backside, you will notice 4 anti-skid feet for a firm grip on your kitchen surface. There's an exhaust fan and ventilation grill to maintain proper airflow and prevent overheating. You can see there are total 3 air vents are there. You also get Philips branding along with the product serial number details here. Taking a closer look at the menu function, you will find dedicated options for different cooking styles. Everything is clearly labeled, making it super easy to operate even for beginners. Let's power it on. Switch on the device. As soon as you switch it on, the display lights up beautifully. First, we have activated one of the preset menu, that is the pressure cook. You will hear a beep sound at a particular interval. That's a smart pan sensor technology. If no compatible cooker is placed, it alerts you and would not start heating, ensuring safety and efficiency. Now, adjusting setting is very simple. Use the plus button to increase temperature or power and the minus button to decrease it. You can also set a timer according to your cooking needs. This gives you full control and precision while cooking. Preset time is 30 minutes. You can decrease and increase time by 1 minute by minus button and plus button respectively. Now let's increase time by plus button by 1 minute. 24, 25 in this way. Now let's explore the preset menus in action. There's manual mode for full control, roti dosha mode for perfect flatbreads, gravy mode for curries, stir fry for quick cooking, slow cook for gentle cooking over time. You can also use the pause button anytime during cooking. Very convenient. Now let's switch off by power off button. Again switch it on by the same button. Activate pressure cook mode for faster results for the pressure cooker. You can see how quickly it responds and starts heating efficiently. Finally, an important safety feature, the residual heat indicator. Even after switching off, a red light warns you that the surface is still hot. This small feature adds a big layer of safety. With recent global tension affecting LPG supply in some regions, having a reliable backup matters more than ever. The Philips Viva Collection HD4928/01 offers fast, energy efficient cooking with smart presets. Though it does need induction cookware and power, still it's a smart, practical choice for modern kitchens. Stay prepared, cook smarter. Thank you.